We are planning to start a social media training institute at the other, and we want social media teaching partners at Dada West, Mumbai. No investment required. Are you desperate to start your own social media institute? Are you popular and reputed among students? Are you qualified from reputed media institute? Are you looking for long-term business association? Are you updated constantly of latest techniques and opportunities in social media? Is your reputation such that new students desperate to join wherever you are teaching? If answer to all is yes, then please hurry. Please send your CV to admin@globaldatasearch.in. Our executive will immediately contact you if you are the right person for us.